What? Still typing data manually in Excel? You are wasting hours every week. In next 5 minutes, I'll show you 5 flash fill tricks that can literally do your work in seconds. And the last one, I'm sure most people don't even know about it. Hi, I'm Dr. Abhijit Chatterjee, and if you work in the field of data entry, accounts, or any other Excel related job, this video will change how you work forever. So let's jump straight into the tricks. I have trained hundreds of professionals in Excel, and flash fill is one of the most underused one. So let's fix it right now. Trick number 1. Imagine you have a student database with full names in single column like Rahul Sharma, Rohit Sharma, and whatnot. And you need only Rahul. So instead of using a formula, just type the first name once and go to the next cell and press Ctrl+E and boom, Excel understands the pattern instantly. Benefits: saves repeated typing, and use case are HR list, student database, and whatnot. Trick number 2. So now let's reverse it. Suppose you have a complete list of students with first name and the last name in separate columns, and you want to join the first and the last name and have it in a single column. So just type the full name in the first row of the next column and press Ctrl E, and Excel merges everything automatically. Trick number 3. Raw numbers like 98765 43210 looks very messy, and you want all the numbers to be like 98765 hyphen 43210. So you type the formatted version once and press Ctrl E, and then flash will do the rest. Want to master Excel faster? Then check out my 2 hours Excel workshop. Link is in the description. Now let us move on to trick number 4. Suppose you have a list of emails like rahul123@gmail.com and you want only Rahul or Rahul123. Then type Rahul123 once and press Ctrl E, and done. You will get the desired result. Trick number 5. This is one of the trick most people don't know even. Let's say your data is messy, like order number 1234 dash delivered, but you want only the number 1234. So just type the result once in the new column and press Ctrl E. Excel understands the complex patterns and not just the simple ones. This means flash fill removes unwanted text, extracts numbers, cleans bulk data without any formula. Pause this video and try just one of the trick right now, and you will immediately realize the difference. If this saved your time, hit like, share it with someone still struggling with Excel, and subscribe for more practical Excel tricks. And if you are serious about upgrading your Excel skills, join my 2 hours live workshop, link in the description. Work smart, not hard. See you in the next video.